As the blizzard raged outside, Sarah and Jake settled into the decrepit lodge, seeking refuge from the relentless snow. The crackling fire cast a flickering shadow on the peeling walls, but an unsettling chill seeped deeper than the cold. A soft thud echoed from the attic, but they dismissed it, attributing it to the wind. Hours passed, the isolation settling heavily upon them. Then, a hushed whisper floated down the stairs, calling Sarah's name. Heart racing, she ascended, each step heavy with dread. Up there, the attic lay dark, save for a single swaying light bulb. As she reached for the switch, the whisper turned into a scream, revealing Jake's face contorted with horror. In the struggle, he fell, and she realized she was alone. The voice was hers,